What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, as I was going through my live stream today, I looked at some information. One, things started falling out of nowhere at the end of the live stream, but during the middle of the live stream, we were looking at XRP. We were talking about it. It was mainly a whole discussion on XRP, anyways, on whether people believe that it could reach $1,000 or not. And that was really the discussion. It's like, how far can this go, and all the things that are included in that. We're not really going to talk about that in this video, but one thing we did come across when it comes to XRP is the fact that they're looking into, or there's rumors and more information that's talking about an XRP ETF. Now, I put out a video, and hopefully those same people can come down in the comment section. I put out a video a while ago talking about how the XRP ETF could be a thing and should be a thing, and how it probably will be a thing. And in that video, you had a lot of people that commented and said it will never, ever be a thing. It doesn't make sense for them to have an ETF. And it's just not going to line up, and it's not going to happen. So this video is clickbait and all this. And I'm like, for people to say that, and it's like they have insider information. It's like they know that there's going to be no ETF. And then I come around and we see articles and different rumors. Yes, it is still rumors. We see different companies and financial institutions that are talking about potentially an XRP ETF. And now it's more in the news. So let's talk about this in this video and give you the information from this article about the potential XRP ETF. And does that give it the ability to launch or push a lot further? What does it do for XRP if we do see an XRP ETF? Is it the same way that we look at Bitcoin, or is it going to be a different situation? So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. One of those links, we have my personal Patreon as well as the Patreon for HG Access, where you have a plethora of YouTubers that are coming together for a lot of information, for live streams and different alpha reports and all that stuff. Feel free to check that out. But again, you also have my personal Patreon if you want to reach out to me directly, or have one-on-ones, or see my portfolio updates, market opens, and all of that other type of stuff. Feel free to check that out. As well as if you guys want to sign up for Margex. This is a trading platform to where you can leverage trade up to 100x leverage on certain positions like BTC or Ethereum or BNB. And honestly, it's been a really, really good platform for a lot of people, as long as you go through and understand, how to trade, day trade, swing trade, how to long-term invest into different positions, develop a good strategy. I mean, it'll be great for you and your potential gains, hopefully. So guys, go ahead and check out Margex. The link will be in the description. But if we look at XRP and where it currently stands, is at 56 cents, 56.16 cents. We're also seeing it at a $30.4 billion market cap with $1.3 billion worth of volume. Now, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update to show you exactly where things are. Now, it is kind of sliding for the day. If we look at the last 7 days, it is down about 10% from that dip that we did see that came across the entire crypto market. So it's not really unheard of to really see that. But the information, or the excitement really for XRP was hovering around this article here to talk about, Gary Gensler warns of risks amid XRP spot ETF prospects. So apparently there are talks to an XRP ETF further than just like the question, like, is there going to be an XRP ETF? We actually see some interest within it. So on Monday, XRP rallied 4.79%. Reversing a 2.9% loss from Sunday. XRP ended the day at 57, or let's say 58 cents. Bitcoin spot ETFs, XRP ended the three-day losing streak on Monday. There was no SEC versus Ripple case, or Zakhanov versus Ripple case related news to distract investors. The lack of case-related news left XRP in the hands of the broader crypto market. Bitcoin spot ETF. Bitcoin spot ETF related news drove buyer demand for BTC and altcoins. Issuer fees garnered investor interest amidst a flurry of activity. Significantly, BlackRock announced it would waive fees for the first 12 months as issuers jostled for position. Significantly, the successful launch of Bitcoin spot ETF market would support the evolution of a crypto spot ETF market. Last week, Grayscale included XRP in its digital large cap fund, fueling speculation of an XRP spot ETF application. There is also speculation about BlackRock planning an XRP spot ETF. However, progress towards the XRP spot ETF could hinge on the SEC plans to appeal the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. The crypto community attributes the interest in launching an XRP spot ETF to the July ruling, where Annalisa Torres ruled that XRP is not a security in the programmatic sales. There is also a Zakanoff versus Ripple case where the plaintiff alleges Ripple sold XRP as an unregistered security. Rulings that XRP is a security could raise question marks about the launch of an XRP spot ETF. The SEC gave more warnings about investing in crypto on Monday, where Chair Gary Gensler basically said, investments in crypto assets can be exponentially risky and are often volatile. A number of major platforms and crypto assets have become insolvent, basically talking about FTX, and have lost value. Investments in crypto assets continue to be subject for a significant risk. He basically goes on to talk about fraudsters and Ponzi schemes and all this other stuff, and just creating a lot of fear within the market. And I think it's just what he's saying is that maybe instead of the fear of missing out on what could be, you never know what it will be. You know what I mean? But either way, it's still creating a ton of fear in the market to basically say, well, what if it doesn't get approved? What if the Bitcoin ETF doesn't get approved? But now we have all this hype and attention around the Bitcoin spot ETF, or multiple of them, and whether they will be approved and what will be the action, after the fact. But then we also have the speculation for a XRP spot ETF that could be massive. Now, here's my opinion on an ETF, right? One, it would be great for XRP because it would create stability rather than seeing the fluctuation that we do see within the position. But it may get in the way of the overall mission, honestly, because right now people are looking at it two ways, right? Where it could be used as a form of currency, or it could honestly be a store of value with the amount that the price will go up, right? Because it's like you could treat it as something that's going to increase as people have to use it, as countries have to use it. So you can be like, all right, I'm holding this to the side. So probably 10% gets held to the side as a form of an investment. That means 90% is only in circulation. Well, now you include an ETF into that. That also brings maybe another 5% over there for people that believe in whatever this is doing. But then you also have an ETF that's actively investing into that and holding XRP for the long term. So maybe you're looking at 30% versus 70% that's out here in circulation. It may get in the way, but it also could create a higher price just by seeing that the amount of XRP that's held for the long term, right? Because ETFs are meant to be held for years and years and decades, and just holding it for a long time as you see the consistent growth within it, as different funds and different financial institutions are investing into it, and people that are a part of it are investing into it. So honestly, I don't really know what to truly think about what could happen. I feel like it would be a net positive no matter what, that if you see a XRP spot ETF, that it wouldn't fully get in the way of that, but it may end up limiting the amount of XRP we have available to add to circulation. Remember, if this is going to be taking over for any type of fiat currency or all fiat, I feel like you need a lot of coins there, because right now, if you just look at the U.S., it's $2.4 trillion dollars that's in circulation, and if you're just substituting that, you would be looking at XRP automatically at like a $23 price, because there's only 100 billion out there. And technically, if we were just substituting it for it right now with only 50 billion, we would be looking at probably, and let's just round it out, it would be somewhere around a $46 price just by seeing that implemented into our, into our circulation, basically. Seeing a 2.4 trillion market cap, because that's what's going to be the use, is whatever the dollar is. Do you know what I mean? Does that make sense? So let me know what your opinion is of XRP ETF. Do you feel like it still won't happen? And as we have more news, are you still going to feel like it's not going to happen? What's your opinion on it? I want to know all of the comments down below. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Make sure you guys go and check out Margex if you want to sign up and start trading with leverage today. You can do that. You can trade with $10. You can trade with $100. Make sure you protect yourself. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.